Number 4, Jill Revell. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Jill Revell.
What was I thinking volunteering to be the mall bunny? I'm a classically trained performer, and yet I'm sitting in this day-glow pagoda dressed in a fuzzy suit that smells bad, in this giant plastic head that is raining down the inside because I was sweating so bad and because it was so humid. Madam Table Topics Master, fellow Toastmasters and guests, bunny duty was not what I expected. It was a Saturday, much like today, around this time of year, in fact, and I was sitting at Citrus Park Town Center being the bunny. This endless stream of children coming up to me. What I expected was that this would be a magical moment for these children and their families. What I got instead was a bunch of screaming, wiggly children who were terrified of this monster in the moth-eaten furry costume. Unfortunately, the woman running the camera was a little bit of a monster herself. She wanted to get those kids through as fast as she could. Get them up there, get the picture, get them on your lap, hold them down if you have to, because this is a magical moment and we're getting the picture, darn it, and it's going to cost the mother $20. Until this one little girl came up, taught me what it really meant to be the bunny. She comes walking up. She's very nervous, and her dad says, "Go on, honey. Go on." Okay. She's got something behind her back, and he said, "Go ahead." Here. It was a packet of carrot seeds. Bunny's not allowed to talk, so I just went... And what I was thinking happened. I was the magic for that kid. That made the whole thing worth it. Madam Table Topics.